welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. My take on Babi Pangang. First, we're gonna start with dicing a red onion. And I really like red onions. It really gives that extra flavor. And we're really gonna dice it up real fine. Now look at that. I don't have really good cutting skills, but I like cutting onions. Normally this recipe has 2 garlic, but I'm gonna put in 4. First I'm gonna halve them. And if your knife skills are really good, you can cut the garlic yourself. But hey, I'm lazy, so I'm gonna use this garlic press. It's really easy. And if you don't have one, go buy one. We are also gonna use this ginger, and they come in balls. They're really sweet and give another level of flavor, I think. It's really delicious. And we're gonna dice them, chop them up. Just make it a little bit smaller. Now we cut the ginger, the onions and the garlic. Now comes the pork. We're gonna use this thick slices of bacon, pork, however you call it. I diced up about 700 to 800 grams of bacon. I also read that you can use beef chunks, but hey, we're gonna use pork today. Let me tell you, oh man, I got a new kitchen appliance, the Instant Pot or the pressure cooker, and we're gonna use that today. First I put in some sesame oil. Now the red onions, and we're gonna saute them. Really give that a good mix. We're gonna sweat it out. We're also gonna add our garlic and really let those two become friends. After about 2 minutes or so, we're gonna add our pork. Now we're gonna build our flavor, and I use some Himalaya salt, some ginger syrup, some ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of apple vinegar, and about 6 or 7 tablespoons of Ketjap Manis. Now it's ready. Give it a good stir and we're off. Now close the lid, ready to be pressurized. Now look at those options, oh man. But we're gonna use the pressure cooker option for 30 minutes on high. Let's do this. Now it's plating time, and I used white rice, and I put in about 3 big spoons because I love it. Now the Babi Pangang. Oh man, it smells so good. I need to tell that if it comes out of the pressure cooker, you need to let it simmer for a bit so it thickens, so that the sauce becomes thick. I also made a cucumber, celery, yogurt side dish, salad. And man, I can tell you, those combinations are really good. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my Babi Pangang. If you're new, I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you're a friend of the channel, I hope you give it a like. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you made this before. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill.